What is up, everyone? So in this video I'm going to be doing a tour of my room slash garage. I've been trying to do a video like this for a while, but I just haven't had the time to do it, or I didn't know what to say on this video. So I'm just making one now. I'm just gonna randomly do it. Chose one day to do it today, and I'm doing it. A tour of my room slash garage. So a little bit to know about me if you're not new to this channel, or if you're new to this channel, or if you already watched my channel but you don't know any info about me. My name's Aaron, um, and I love working with tech, so computers, servers, and stuff like that. Computer hardware, just anything tech is pretty cool to me. Just a hobby of mine. I am a full-time technician, and I work in automobiles. And on my free time, when I'm hopefully not tired, I do videos, so just random videos, building a computer or like helpful tips. Sometimes I game, but I don't know. I feel it's kind of weird having a gaming video on a like tech channel, which shouldn't really matter. But yeah, so I try not to game. So I'm planning on making like a new gaming channel to game on that. See what happens with that. But in this video, I'm gonna be doing a tour of my room slash garage, and where I build my computers, stuff like that, and whatever I have left. So I've been selling computers. Well, I don't do it anymore, but before, like a couple years ago, when computers were like the hype or something, like 2021, just before COVID and around COVID, I would build and sell computers, and I would sell like 2 to 3 a week, and it was a cool way to make some money. You learn a lot of stuff. You learn how to sell on the Facebook Marketplace, stuff like that, eBay. But I don't sell computers anymore. Sometimes it's hard to sell. There's low ballers out there, scammers, all that sort of stuff. So once in a while, I will sell my computers. So recently, I sold 3 of my computers because I was just running out of space and I had too much stuff already. And this is the stuff that I have left. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I have. So I'm gonna do a tour on the area where I keep a lot of my stuff, on the table that I build my computers, stuff like that. And I will show you my gaming setup. And I didn't clean any of this. This is how it is. I'm not cleaning it. I'm not gonna make it look professional. It is what it is. If it's dirty, it's dirty. I'll clean it on my own time. So I'm showing you the real setup. Nothing, nothing too professional here. But yeah, my name's Aaron, and my channel is Century. It took me forever to name my channel, but I just put Century, and it was simple, and there it is. It's probably gonna be Century for a while. I don't know if I'm gonna change it or not, but it's just a hobby channel. I upload when I have time, or when I have an idea for a video. I really doesn't. It's not something that I have to upload or something like that. But it's fun. It lets me learn how to edit videos and stuff. Anyways, enough of that. All right. First, I'm gonna start off with the top. I got rid of a bunch of boxes. So the top shelf, all to the wall, was filled with boxes of just like old computer boxes. I got rid of most of them, and I just have 2 left. So 2 boxes: ROG Rapture GT IX 1100 router, an old Intel i7 case or box, case part for an NZXT case, a Ryobi vacuum, a Ryobi heater. It uses propane. I call it the Spitfire because it looks like it's spitting fire, which it is from the inside there. It's pretty cool. Ryobi grinder, 2 switches that may or may not work. I forgot. I haven't used these in a while. But yeah, they're older ones, so they're pretty loud. Not fun to use while you're using it in your room, when you're trying to go to sleep. Be that little fan going crazy. Alright, that's the top for this 2 shelves. We'll go to the middle part. All right, over here we got a bunch of screws, screwdriver set, GTX 1080, LED lights, random battery, water, Mi Fix. I forgot exactly what this is called, a rework station, I think. I bought this off of Amazon. I've actually had a couple problems with this, so I did a return on this, and Amazon just told me to keep it, and they gave me my refund, which was pretty cool. Um, the issue with it was that the power cord that this, the power outlet on the back, whenever you plug in the power cord, it doesn't fully sit in, so it's like loose in the back, and it just turns off and on, off and off. So you gotta like tape it in there. I don't know, but it didn't work. It works. You just sometimes when it wants to. But yeah, I got it for free then. So yeah, I have it there. Get some power banks, some more screwdrivers, not screwdrivers, screws for like computers. So like all the screws you would need for a computer, they're all mixed in there. I try to keep them clean, but I actually dropped this once, so I just threw them all in there. So I just have it like this now. More computer screws, Ryobi fan, Airheads, a cup with random stuff in there. I have no idea what's in there, but yeah. Right at the bottom, we got a bunch of crap. More screws. Got that deal from Big Five, $5 for that fishing box. Put my screws in there. RC remote, heat shrink for batteries. For 18650 batteries. Some more random stuff here. I know it's dirty. Water, another water bottle. Oh yeah, Ethernet, RJ45. I forgot connectors. Yeah, connectors. Ryobi. Just random stuff. At the bottom, you got an RC car that I haven't used. I've used it like 2 times, and I haven't used it then. Some more random stuff. Oh yeah, my Ethernet box. So I got a Cat 6 Ethernet box. That's how I wired my servers, my routers, and stuff like that. Alright, cool. Now for the fun part, the cool part. Up here, we're gonna see we have a switch. This is a Catalyst 6960 S series. It's a Cisco switch. This is an old switch. But it works perfectly fine, and I just have it here as a backup whenever I need it. All right, moving forward, we got. All right, moving up. We got a bunch of PCIe cards. So these are the cards that I've been collecting. Usually I buy computers like really cheap, and it comes with PCIe cards. So here in the back, we got a USB 3.0 PCIe card, SFP Plus card, 2.5 gig Ethernet card, Asus Wi-Fi card, TP-Link Wi-Fi. Look at all that dust. Look at that. Yeah, I gotta clean this. I have no idea what this is for, but I keep it. Another SFP Plus card. Heat resistant tape. Cheap drone from Temu that used once, and it doesn't even work or fly good, so it's there. And over here we got another precision screwdriver set, and here we got some memory. We got a bunch of RAM, DDR3 mostly, now more DDR4. Some CPUs, and we got some cables, some wires, thermal paste, soldering, flux, stuff like that. Over here we got another water bottle in the back. We got a Wi-Fi antenna for the Asus PCIe card, DVD drive. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 SSDs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2.5 gig hard drives. Sorry, yeah, 2.5 hard drives. So not the big ones, the small ones. And over here we got 1, 2, 3, 4. What is it? M.2s. Yep, we got a little 500 gig M.2 here. And we got a, nope, nothing there. We got another one here, 120, 256. And another one here, I think that's a 500 gig, probably. Cool, so that's the storage there. Alright, now at the bottom part, we got this homemade divider made out of cardboard and hot glue. Looks pretty sick. Professionally made by me. Let's see. So I had a couple more motherboards, but I did sell a few computers, so I got rid of 3 of them already. So in the very back, we got a Gigabyte super old motherboards. Let's see if I can show you guys. This is it's an Intel board. Never mind. I thought it was Gigabyte. Yeah, it's Intel. There's no model number, so just Intel board. And then the next one is an MSI board. Z87 G45 Gaming. It works perfectly fine. I have used it and tested it, so that's why I have it. In the back, we got a mini ITX case. Motherboard from ASRock. We got a NVIDIA GPU here. Don't know exactly the model. I forgot the model for this, but yeah, it's NVIDIA. Got a Zotac 970, 4 gigs. This cool GeForce 9800 DT. Look at that. I don't even know if it works, but I just keep it because it looks cool. And then we have an Asus M.2 card. It only takes 2 M.2s, so not too bad. We got another GPU here, another Zotac, and yeah, a bunch of fans. All the fans that I've collected. So a few of the computers that I bought came with like a bunch of Octo fans. Only issue is that they're 140 gigs, so not every case supports them. Unfortunately, I do have a case that uses them, so I do have 2 of them installed. We have a cooler back there, a bunch of fans. Look at that. Bunch of fans in there. Screwdriver, battery, old laptop, Asus battery, some hard drives over here. Oh yeah, let me show you my collection of I/O plates right here. So this is my hard drives here. I just reuse these hard drive based from like an old case. I have like a bunch of these, so I just use it as a slot here. On the top, we got a 6 terabyte. I actually don't know if this works, but I'll test it later. We got a 1 terabyte WD Blue that does work. We got a 3 terabyte Exos drive. This is a SAS drive, so I can't even use it because I don't have the proper adapters for it. But I just have it because I was planning on making a server or building a server and using SAS drives, but you need like a controller, special cables, and by the time I'm buying that, it's just too much money. Let's see. I'll already show you that one. And the last one is a 500 gig DVD Black. So in the back here, I do have all the SAS drives. I just, have them back here. I think there's like 12 of these. I can't even use them because I don't have the proper adapters, so they're just there when I ever build my server, rebuild it. Right now, my server does have SATA drive, and it's working fine now, so not too bad. Alright, now for the bottom, got a bunch of cables. I try to like sort them out, like display cables, SATA cables, power cables, stuff like that. And a few power supplies. Got this mouse pad here. I got 2 power supplies here. Mouse pad, a freaking, what is this? Deep Cool, not Deep Cool. Oh, I forgot that brand. It's like a snowflake or something. But yeah, this cooler works. A subwoofer for a sound bar. We got 2 cases here. But yeah, that's it for these shelves. How did you go? It's not organized. I didn't clean anything. It's just, that's how it is. I did have a few cases on this shelf. That's why it's missing the middle one, because I needed the case to be up. But as you can see, it was too heavy, and like this was like bending, so I had to remove them. All right, now for my desk. This is where I build computers. This is where I have this case. This case was actually right here. I will probably put it back because I need more space on my desk. But this is an Antec Torque, I think. Antec Torque case. Don't remember the exact model, but I bought this like 5 years ago. And it's an awesome case. I put a bunch of stickers on it, make it look cool. But I used it once. Sorry, I didn't use it once. I used it a while back, and then recently. But then I swapped it to a Corsair, a case that made my computer look much better. Although this one's still pretty cool. I'm never gonna sell this. This is one of my favorite cases of all time. It just looks so awesome. But yeah, it's there. I still have the glass pieces too, so yep. And then we got my little Asus monitor here. Camera, Sony A6400. Got a TV, 55-inch Samsung. I paid like $300 right before COVID to watch movies and stuff because I didn't have a TV. Oh yeah, at the bottom. Let's see, at the bottom here. Oh, we got a board here. I forgot what is this. Oh, it's heavy. It's an old motherboard CPU. It still works. I actually think I tried it already. Alright, we got a case here. This is my Temu case. I bought this case from Temu. I think I paid like 12 or 14 bucks or something like that. Milk crate or whatever crate for random cables, random stuff. Case right here. Forgot, for Antec probably. I don't know, it's a cool case. Got the NZXT case. The power button doesn't work. So that sucks. I can't even use it. Gotta buy like a new top or something. Actually, the power switch doesn't even work. Got a server case there, and then this Lenovo case or computer that I bought from Savers. Paid $30. It still works. Everything's in there is working now. Oh yeah, one of my other favorite cases. The Corsair. I don't know what this, but this is the case I use the Noctua fans. Favorite case. It actually has a 1000 power supply. 1000 watt power supply. It's got a SSD already. I had to take some of these parts out to sell. Alright, let me show you my little hard drive collection. So all these hard drives were used by me on my computer, my server, my other computers, and they all failed. They had bad sectors and or didn't turn on. So what I did was I just took the cover off and I used them as decoration because it looked pretty cool. Now a little bit dusty, but they look cool. Got this Gigabyte board. It still works. I fixed this by like throwing alcohol at it. It's one of my videos. Still works. I have it there as a backup for my main computer in case my board, dies or something. Got a Noctua cooler here. Got a Netgear router, some Netgear Wi-Fi extenders, stuff like that. And I just got my light there. But yeah, that's this area. TV, case, desk, you know, my little work area, I guess you can say, for building computers. All right, now time to show you my gaming setup. So let's go over there. All right, so we're on the corner of my gaming setup. I'm gonna show you my pictures here. Goku and Vegeta, sick ass pictures. Got my VR headset. I used this literally 2 times. I was planning on returning it. Then I kept saying, I'm going to use it. And then it passed the return period. Now I just have it here. I will use it eventually, but don't know when. Got a plan. I got Broly here. Oh, look at all those spider webs with hair. I do have 3 dogs that live with me, so yeah. All that hair, look at that. They're a much better haircut. Cool. I got a Dragon Ball 4-star ball here. I got this as a Christmas gift from my sister. Got an Alexa. Doesn't work. Doesn't connect to the internet, so I don't know why. I don't know why I have it, but it's there. Over here, we have a Canon printer that I used like 4 times, and then the ink ran out or it dried up, and then the ink was too expensive, so I just have it here and I never use it again. Oh, I got my ROG Ally box, USB speaker, bunch of laptop chargers. Let's see, laptops here. I got 3 laptops over here. Some of the laptops I bought in the past few weeks or the past few months for cheap, super cheap, and I just fix them up and I keep them or I sell them. So far, I've only sold 2. So yeah, over here we got my router. It's my Asus ROG router. This is the main router that I use. It's my motherboard, the ROG Strix C690A. Got some spark plugs for car, dash cam, the drone from freaking Temu that sucks. Got a wallet for Christmas, RTX 3060 Ti box, 3090 Ti box, bunch of laptops. They all work. I just have them here. I don't use them that much, but yeah, the laptops. Over here, we got a plan in the back. Just, I don't know, nails, CPU exposed, Linksys, routers. Got a bunch of these, I think. Look at all that dust. What is that? I don't know. Alright, cool. So that's the top of my gaming setup. You can see all the spider webs in the top. Oh yeah, I do have this like little hanging thing here. This is for clothes, but now I just throw in random stuff in here. So I got band-aids, got a pants, got just boxes. Oh, my gun. My real gun that I got from Temu, because they sell real guns there. More band-aid stuff. Stuff, you know, just random stuff. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Random stuff. Another Ryobi vacuum. Alright, let's start off on my gaming setup. So this is my microphone that I use sometimes. I don't use it a lot, but I have my microphone. I got my back scratcher right here. That's cool. Got my secondary computer, so it's a backup computer that I use. It's decent specs. I would say it's like a mid-range computer. We got my camera, another camera lens for the Sony camera you saw. Gaming keyboard here, just for you know, laptops. If I want to game, I use this for laptop. Pellets for gun, chargers, napkins, Cool Goku wall painting or poster, Cool Goku poster. Over here, got my Gigabyte monitor right there. Oh, this is my camera bag. Put my camera. Got my flash drive, bunch of flash drives, and got 2 enclosures, stuff like that. This is my ROG Alley's in here. Yeah, it's in there. I got a case on it. Cool. I got my drone here. I do have a drone. I did buy a drone. I made a video about just like a video test. The Potenzic 4K drone. Brushless. Pretty cool. I actually like this so much. But I don't know any places to use it. But yeah. Yeah, so this is my backup setup here. It's connected to my main setup, so you'll see right now. I got my 18650 batteries, and then I'm testing them or discharging them and testing the capacity with this. One of my Ryobi 40 volt batteries died, so I took it apart, and these are all the batteries that work. So I have written the capacity on here. Yeah, but yeah, that's why it's here. Doing a test. I just need like these 4 more, and I'm doing that one. Got my little phone holder area. I got my camera batteries, random outlet Sony thingy, old Samsung phone, watches, Samsung Galaxy watches, battery backup, old phone, my sister's old phone that she broke, random Ethernet port. Stop, Echo. Sorry, my Echo just went off. Alright, up here, this is my headset, and this is my main computer. Right there. Bam, look at that. Got Broly, and I got Goku over there. So this is my main computer right here. This is where I game or watch YouTube, because we know when I come from work, I just watch YouTube. Over here, I got my monitor. This is an Acer monitor that I have vertically. Got my keyboard by Hex Gears. Yeah, a bunch of stuff on my desk. GoPro 12, gaming mouse, my phone, other phone, screwdriver, capture card, keys, Sony lens cover. Oh yeah, this is also another reason why I'm testing those batteries. So I have these drill batteries here, these cases. Oh crap. So you can build your own battery using this, and it comes with like all this stuff here. You can like solder it and stuff like that. And that's why I'm testing these, so I can build batteries with this. I also got a DeWalt here. So when all that's done, I'm gonna build batteries. I will make a YouTube video about them, just you know, just to make a video about them. Oh yeah, this is my monitors. Samsung Odyssey G9, I think. It's the G9. It's the white one. Let's see. Yes, Cyberpunk. Damn. Okay, LG 49 G9. Yeah. LC 49. Yeah, the Odyssey G9 from Samsung. One of the best monitors out there, in my opinion. So this is my setup here. Backup setup. So dirty. I gotta clean this. Echo, stop. Stop. Okay. I call Alexa Echo now. Alright, and this is my gaming setup. The desk connects like an L. Got my main computer in that corner. secondary computer over here, laptops and stuff like that over there. And I got my little drawers here. I always have to clean these because it gets filled up with random stuff. Look at all that random stuff. Yeah, look at the floor. It's the garage, it's concrete. But yeah, this is my setup right here that I have to clean. I didn't clean it yet, but I will clean it soon. And then that's my stuff over there. So it all connects down here to down here. Alright, let me show you the final part that I can show you, that I will only show you. My server and my router and my other stuff like printers that I actually use. Alright, so this is my server. This is where I have my media. So I got backup, files, movies, TV shows, programs, software backups, pictures, all the pictures that I take or videos that I want to keep. I just upload them to the server. That's my main switch right here from Microtech. It's a smart cloud switch, so it can be controlled through the cloud like a WebOS. So it's very useful, and it does have the SFP Plus port that I have connected to my computer and the server. So I have 10 gig connection from my computer to the server, just the server to my computer. I got backup routers, sorry, backup switches right there. Some fiber here, and then over here you can see my router. It's the ASUS router that I've plugged in to this switch, and I have AT&T 1 gig download and upload. And yeah, that's my server's part. This is just across the area where I build my computer, so just across that. Got my printer here. This is my Canon color printer. So I use this for anything that I gotta print with color. Then I have this HP, just a laser printer, black and white, super fast printer. I actually like this one a lot. And then over here, I do have a fridge, sturdy as hell, don't look at it. Wheel spacers. And if you can see this, my dog destroyed her bed. Nala? Hey. Why'd you destroy your bed? Why'd you destroy your bed? I don't have to buy you a new one. Huh? Oh yeah. And this is his brother. His name's V. So I live with 2 dogs in the garage. His bed is right here. And her bed is right here. Because they cannot sleep together and they always fight for food. So I got her food there and his food is in a little bowl over there. But yeah, she's the alpha for sure. He's a little baby. He's like 2 years old. She's 5. But yeah, if you see that, that's her problem. There's an old laptop that I tried to repair, but I was too dumb to do it. So yeah. And just below that is a weight bench, and now it's being used as garbage table. Got a super old computer part here. Well, it's not super old. It's like a server motherboard with AMD server CPUs on there. I wanted to make a video I wanted to make a video using this, but it requires a power supply that uses 2 power connectors, and I don't have one. Actually, I may have one, that 1 terabyte, that 100 watt power supply. Fuck. I want to make a video about this to see what it can handle, but it's old tech, so it's kind of hard getting all the drivers and software for this. It's gonna be fun figuring it out, but it's just gonna be a long process. So yeah, as you can see, that's where I build the computers. So that's the shelves, table, you know, TV, stuff like that. And just across that, you go here to my table with where my old printer used to go. There, nasty fridge, server, door that's not on anything, server, and router. And then I use this monitor over here for the router, and then tools. Don't judge me, please. Yeah, and then just across that, we come to the gaming setup, which is this. There, goes across, and it goes through there. So yeah, that is the room tour. I have a bunch of trash here. Well, not trash. Just I'm too lazy or I'm too tired sometimes to clean. But that's a tour of, you know, my garage slash room slash gaming slash building slash sleeping slash pet house video. So yeah. So right here at the bottom, I got this drawer, right? This is where I keep all my cables, like USB cables. You know how when you buy something and it comes with like a free USB cable and you don't use it, just throw it in here. So I got a lot of them, some of the little tiny ones. You know, stuff like that. I just have, there's no reason to throw them away. But they're trash. They're like, these are trash. They can barely charge anything. I just have them now. At the bottom, you got more stuff. You know. And then I got more stuff on the bottom too. Yeah, just a bunch of random stuff. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Anyways, that is all for this video. Have a good one.